This lesson is called Graph Paper Programming, and it's all about algorithms. Today we're going to learn how to write programs that show each other how to recreate simple black and white images using only hand-drawn arrows.
You just fill in square. No, you'd have to go back again and then you can make it to that square.
An algorithm is a list of instructions for completing a task. We'll follow this set of instructions to make the bowl. Algorithms, they're really helpful when you need someone else to understand how to do something. If you're writing an algorithm for a computer, you have to break it down into little tiny steps.
So finish this row, then go to the next one, go to the next one, and then you'll be all done.
I use algorithms in my work. If I write down all of the steps, I can recreate that same piece again, or I can teach someone else to do it. Put the glass in the kiln, fuse it together, follow the rest of the instructions to make the bowl. Algorithms give you a roadmap for getting something done.